How to turn off Game Center on iPhone. Looking for a quick and easy way to stop Game Center from constantly popping up on your iPhone? In this video, I'll walk you through the exact steps to turn it off and prevent those interruptions. And if you enjoy simple, step-by-step tutorials, make sure to subscribe for more helpful how-to guides. Let's get started. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down through the settings until you find Game Center, then tap on it. Inside the Game Center settings, you'll see the account currently signed in. Scroll all the way to the bottom of the page and tap Sign Out. Confirm that you want to sign out of Game Center. Once you've signed out, Game Center will no longer be active on your iPhone, which should stop those Game Center prompts from appearing. If you ever want to use Game Center again, you can simply return to these settings and sign back in with your Apple account. And that's how you can turn off Game Center on your iPhone quickly and easily. If this tutorial helped you out, subscribe to the channel for more simple how-to guides, useful tips, and easy tech solutions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.